Hey everyone, welcome back. So today I'm going to be cleaning this iron, which has got a bit of lime scale and color transfer on the PVC plastic area. I'm not sure what you call it, but I'm just going to attempt to remove the discoloration, and I will be using my absolute favorite product, the pink stuff. So if you're not new to the channel, you know that I love this product, so I'm going to be using it on this iron today. So I'm just going to use my microfiber cloth and just rub the surface of it to just remove the color transfer and a little bit of the lime scale. I know it works quite well on different surfaces, and this is PVC plastic, I believe, but I could be wrong. But anyway, if you're enjoying this type of content, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel if you are learning something, and yeah, if you're getting lots of motivation to clean up around the house. So as you can see, I'm just rubbing the whole surface with the pink stuff. I don't need quite a lot because the surface area is quite small, but I'm gonna also open up a filter part, I think. I'm not sure if it's a filter, but this little compartment section right here, it actually does open up. So I'm just gonna clean in there. There's a little bit of lime scale in there as well, and the pink stuff seems to be working really well. It's not like rough or removing any marks or anything else. It's just removing the lime scale that is built up and the paint transfer or the color transfer from the clothes. And yeah, as you can see, everything is looking almost brand new, and that did not take long at all. So I'm really impressed with that. So yeah, that's it for me today, guys. I hope you're enjoying these small videos that I'm currently doing. I'm just trying to experiment to see if people like longer videos or shorter videos. But yeah, so this was just a quick little video just to show you that you can use the pink stuff on your irons, the surfaces of an iron, to remove lime scale and any transfers of like dyes from clothes. So yeah, you guys have a lovely day, and I shall see you guys on the next video. Bye.